Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel OS VFX. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create this animated slide in PowerPoint. So let's see. The first point reveal, then it will reveal the second point, and then it will reveal the third point, and I've given the binding effect. Okay, and similarly I have created some more different styles here, different designs, as well as if you want you can add some pictures or you can add some more text as well. So without wasting much time, let's start how we can design this slide in PowerPoint. Add a new slide, go to Insert tab, Shapes, select Rectangle and draw the rectangle maybe this size. You can make it no outline. Alright, and press Ctrl D to make a duplicate and just maybe this size. We have added two rectangles here now. Okay, so similarly I'm just going to add a binding effect here, right? So I'm just reduce the size maybe this much. Okay, all right. Now first of all you have to add the oval, the circle shapes here. Make it a very small circle shapes. Okay, it's 0.13 in height and width, and I'm going to give a black color and it will be no outline, or I can just make this as 0.15 inches. Alright, I think this is okay. Press Ctrl D. You just increase the zoom and then you can arrange it properly. Otherwise it will be, because the dot size are, the oval size is very small, so it will be difficult. Yes, I think 3 are enough. Alright, and then you can align left and then you can distribute vertically. Okay, maybe it's here. Press Ctrl D and then bring exactly onto the other rectangle. Alright, now if you see here, it will look something like this. So this is how I did this one. Maybe we can just move a little bit up and this little bit down. I'm just distributing vertically so that it will have the same spaces between the circle shapes. And now I'm going to insert shapes and I'm going to select in the flow chart, which is this one called the terminator, right? And just bring this one like this, maybe this size is enough, and I'll make this as a white color and I'll bring it here. Make as no outline. Still we need to reduce the size. So you have to just align it properly. Alright, so this is how it will look, but the width is somewhat not satisfied. I'm making it 0.8 maybe. Yeah, and press Ctrl D. Okay, Now you can give some effect here, which is the shadow, so that it will look more realistic. So maybe we can add the shadow down, something like this. Alright, and even if you want to give the shadow for this as well, maybe like this. Alright, so we have done the one part now. The second step is to add some shadow effects here. Go to insert shapes and select rectangle, maybe this size, make it no outline, and I'm going to fill a gradient fill, and I can use two stops here, one with I'm just making it a gray color, and the other one it will be a white, and just increasing the some transparency level here. Okay, all right, I can just rotate this one so that this effect should come here. All right, yes, and maybe somewhat increase, and I can just go to effects, and I can make in the soft edges something like 4 points, and then I'll just bring exactly here, and I will just tilt it, and then you can say simply send to back. Now you can see that the tilt effect is there. Alright, now it's giving entirely a different dimension to our design. Now if you see, if I remove this one, it will be like plain. Now the moment I add it, it becomes something very creative now. Alright, so I can just simply add this one to the other end as well. As usual, I'm just going to rotate it and send to back. Alright, so if you see here, this will look like this kind of effect here. I'm just making it somewhat, yeah. Alright, or I can just bring to the end here, that will give more meaning actually. Alright, yeah. Okay, now I can just go and rename or change the color. I can give a gradient fill, so I'm going to give some different colors, for example a purple with whichever color which you like, you can just add it. Alright, you can see that almost it's getting the shape ready now. Now I can just add some more like this effect, which is this effect. If you can see my old videos, I have clearly explained how you can do this part here. Alright, so I'm not going to explain you in this video. I'm just going to add a simple rectangle. Alright, no outline, and you can give some darker colors. Alright, so this is my text box number 1. And make it white color and bring it here. Alright, and then you can add the text here. Okay, this one also I'm just going to change the color to some more darker color, or if you want you can add some different color as well here. maybe this color. Okay, so the text, I'm not going to type it, I'm just copying it from here, and I'll just paste the text here. And if you want, you can have some more designs, we can add the designs here, but that is not required at this stage. All right, so if you see here, only one box is ready. Now it's for me to just replicate this one and make it 2 or 3 or 4. It depends on your requirement. You can add the icons here if you have, or you can just go to the nounproject.com and you can add the icons from there as well. So I'm just going to add simply from my slide, and I can just bring it here. All right, now I can group everything. I'll make it here, press Ctrl D, this will be my second, and press Ctrl D, this will be my third. And then it's a matter of just changing the colors. So my color for this will be we'll add some different combinations. What are the combination which you feel is okay, you can just add those combinations. And all right, so this looks very dull to me, so it's better to change with some different color. All right, so this will be my second and this will be my third. Similarly, you can just change the headlines here, headline 1, 2 and 3. All right, okay, the animation effect, for that I'm going to insert again a rectangle, and I'm going to cover the whole rectangle. All right, and you can give the shape the color as white and make it as no outline, and yeah. All right, and then I'm going to use a gradient fill, and I have gradient fill which I have last used, so I'm just going to remove, and then we'll add our own colors here. Maybe I'll just add one more, and this will be my white color. Actually the other way around, I'll just change this to this side. Okay, and but before that we just need to change the color, this color to be this one, and this color to be this, so that yeah. All right, now I'll just go to animation, enable the animation pane, and in animation pane you go to add animation, go down, and in the motion path select line. The line effects, make it right. Can you see? I'll just close the shade, this one, and then select this one, and I want this to come maybe till this part or till here. All right, so if you see here, if I click, okay, so make sure that you have the right size. Okay, and this also I'm just going to ungroup all, and I want to animate this animation should happen after, once it brings here, it scroll to this position, then this animation should happen. So I'll just say Y, wipe animation from left. Okay, and that should happen with previous with a delay of say maybe 1.25 seconds. Let's see. So yes, so it's coming perfectly, it's aligned. If you see here, yeah, okay, now it's a cakewalk. Press Ctrl D and bring it here. Alright, press Ctrl D, bring it here, and it's just a matter of changing the colors. So I'll just align it properly. Format, align left, and just all right. Now if you see here, this will be my first, this will be my second, and this will be my third. So you need to do the animation for this one. All right, so I'm just going to delete this one, and then you can do once you are start doing the practicing of this one. All right, so this is how the final result will look like this. So that's it from me, friends. Hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel OS VFX. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.